Bonjour, welcome to this new video. Again, today I'd like to go over some new vocabulary that I encountered when reading the press. And the first expression that I have in mind came in this article in the headline, which reads Avec l'acte 12, l'affluence des gilets jaunes marque le pas. Marquer le pas is really to mark time. I like also the translation to stall or to slow down, really. D'accord? So the yellow vest movement is slowing down or is stalling. Okay, that would be the proper translation, I think. D'accord? And of course, by le pas, you have to understand the step, right? It's not the not. It's not the negative pas. It's the step. D'accord? I also wanted to show you these adjectives that someone posted regarding some article, and it contained a bit of interesting vocabulary. Allumé, for instance, which means crazy. Perché, which I think might come from Brittany, but I remember some friends of mine from Brittany that used it, and me, being from Paris, I've never heard it. I'd never heard it before, but now it's been part of my vocabulary because of my friends from Brittany. Perché, meaning crazy. À l'ouest, to me, is a little different. It's very close, though, but I would translate à l'ouest by out there. He's completely out there. You're so out there in the sense of, saying things that don't make any sense, a little crazy, or you're kind of daydreaming and you're not paying attention. And that would be à l'ouest. D'accord? À l'ouest. Taré, finally, is a synonym of fou, dingue. D'accord? And I've never seen barré. Apparently, it might be more modern, but I know some people who still live in France who have heard it. I've personally never heard it. So, from my perspective, I would say don't worry about it, but it's all relative. D'accord? Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like it, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. Take a look at the description. You can download our app for free and start learning on the go. And go visit our website. If you want to subscribe to the entire course, you will have access to a gold mine of information. And I want to share with you a few comments that I've received from people. I receive tons of emails and messages on a daily basis. It's absolutely fantastic from people who are taking the course. And here's what a few people had to say. Here's an email from Adele, not the singer. Maybe it is the singer. I'll never know. But saying these very nice words. My experience with the course was fabulous. I started with a 1-month subscription just to try it out and see if it would suit me. And it turned out to be one of the best educational experiences I've ever had. Here's another note from Christine, who was apparently working on French 3, saying, Alex, you're a wonderful teacher. Thank you for teaching us all of the slang and commonly used French. It is extremely useful and your method is very enjoyable. I don't only teach slang, okay? I do a lot more than that, but I think that's a part of the course that people will enjoy, apparently. Chris from the UK says, still loving your course. I think we've learned more in 3 days than over the past 9 years. And here's a message from Laurie, who subscribed to the entire course after finishing her degree to teach French, and says, I need at least level 5 and advanced, but I might do the whole 7 levels. I just finished my French teaching degree and I thought I'd be able to zip through all of the course in just a couple of months. But there is so much great content that I know I will want to refer back to it again. I really like having the app so I can listen while walking or driving. Alright, so go to the description, download the app, start learning now for free, and visit our website if you want to subscribe for just 1 month. And if you want to buy a package or the entire course, feel free to do so. If you have any questions, email me at alex@languagetasty.com and I will see you soon on Language City. And you'll see what it's like to speak like a native. Salut, à bientôt!